Random scan display. A random scan display is a type of display technology that was used in early computer graphics systems. Unlike a raster scan display, which draws an entire image on the screen in a single pass, a random scan display only draws the parts of the image that have changed since the last refresh. Here is a step-by-step explanation of how a RSD works. The computer's graphics software determines which parts of the image have changed since the last refresh. The electronics of the display send a signal to the electron gun to draw only the changed parts of the image on the screen. The electron gun draws the changed parts of the image on the screen by directing a beam of electrons onto the phosphor-coated screen. The phosphors on the screen emit light in response to the impact of the electrons, creating the visible part of the image. The process is repeated for each refresh of the screen, with the electron gun only drawing the parts of the image that have changed. A key advantage of random scan displays is that they require less processing power and memory than raster scan displays, as only the changed parts of the image need to be drawn. This made random scan displays well suited for use in early computer graphics systems, where processing power and memory were limited. However, random scan displays have a number of disadvantages, such as flickering and slower refresh rates, which led to their replacement by raster scan displays in most applications. Today, random scan displays are no longer used in modern computer graphics systems and have been replaced by more advanced display technologies. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.